Straight up to the gold prices first, where it's trading steady at around $1660 per ounce in the international markets, and traders see an upside on prices given the crisis in the Eurozone. But for now, it's the weak euro that's sapping strength from the gold. That's how it's trading on your screens, around 0.5% on the higher side. In the Indian markets, 100 rupees off again up, so 28,195. In the international markets, of course, 1660 is just about holding. But what has been the impact of 1 week of protests in the Indian markets by the bullion industry? For that, let's go across to Prithviraj Kothari. He's MD Riddhi Siddhi Bullion, and he joins us on a Mumbai phone line. Mr. Kothari, hi, welcome to the show. Today is when bullion market has opened in full steam. What kind of losses has the industry and the government faced in the previous week, and what really has been the outcome of this protest?
I think it's a huge losses of each and everyone. If you see the import figures from last quarterly to this quarterly, if you see the figure of March to this March, it's a huge losses of in the form of a duty, in the form of a octroi. It's each and every, in the form of a weight. Each and every one, there's huge losses of. If you see the import figure last year is from Jan to March is almost 300 tons.
Is there any number that you are putting to it?
Yeah, and this year I think it's almost 150 to 125 tons of import figure. I think it's a huge losses of a duty. So they increase on a 16 Jan. And after the 16 January, if you see the prices, the import figure fallen sharply. And if you see in the local market, almost $15 to $16 discounted. Gold prices today, if you see the almost 25,000 discounted.
Is there any outcome of the protest as of now? What are you hearing from the ministry at this point?
Still we are waiting for the central finance minister. If it does not roll back, then we have the indefinite strike is there. It's just open because of the March ending.
Mr. Kothari, one final word on the gold and silver prices as well. Where do you see them going now?
I think some downside pressure is more. I think in a 3-month period, maybe touch $1,500 in gold. And the silver should be around $26 to $25.
All right.
Some downside pressure is there.